Hey, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins in 2024, guys. This does not require a jailbreak or computer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if you do want to get free TikTok coins, guys, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It is super insane, guys, fully working. And this is just insane, guys, because I need free TikTok coins right now. I'm broke. I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of TikTok coins completely for free. Guys, so as you can see, I have a ton of TikTok coins, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get a ton completely for free. So let's get right into this saucy video. So anyways, guys, what we're going to do is visit a fun website called Zesty Coupons. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So it's called zestcoupons.com. So let me just put that in right here, zestcoupons.com. So anyways, guys, once you're on this website, guys, you are going to see a ton of like coupons and stuff like that. So what we're going to do, guys, is just go to the search bar and type in TikTok. So let me just put that in right here. And as you can see, it says TikTok coins coupon. So just press see more. And then you can see down here it says show coupons. So just press that and then press unlock code. So anyways, guys, now it is going to start unlocking the code. So you just got to wait for that to load, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try this out, because like I'm broke. I do not have the money for TikTok coins, guys. So in this video, you will learn about becoming a legend. You will get free TikTok coins. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It is fully working. It is super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool, guys, and it's so weird that this actually works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out about this method, because you can become a TikTok legend, guys, with this method. You can get a ton of TikTok coins, which is just ridiculous, bro. So I don't know how this actually works, but I got a ton of TikTok coins completely for free. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but if this video works for you guys, then be sure to go ahead and share it. It's pretty weird, but it's totally working, guys. So yeah, I'm not really finding a lot of websites. That's why I just made this video for you guys, just to show you how it works. So let me just show you guys the website again, I guess. Maybe zestcoupons.com. That's where we're going to visit. The website is zestcoupons.com.